This first class of Chapter 6 of the course of the Basic Geometry presents definitions of polygon, concave and convex, definitions of polygons regular and non-regular, types of regular polygons, important entities and structures of polygons. In this first slide of this first class of Chapter 6 of this course of Basic Geometry, Figure 6.1 shows a convex type polygon and a concave type polygon. Polygons that have all internal angles with a value less than 180 degrees are called the convex polygons. Polygons that have one or more internal angles with a value greater than 180 degrees are called the concave polygons. This second slide presents a definition of non-regular polygons and regular polygons. The figure 6.2 presents examples of a convex polygon and a regular polygon. Polygons that do not have all equal internal angles are called the convex polygons or irregular polygons. Polygons having all internal angles of the same value are called regular polygons and can be inscribed in a circle called the circumscribed circle. This third slide presents a table in figure 6.3 with the types of regular polygons according to the number of sides up to the number of 12 sides. The table has a column with a number of sides, a second column with the name of the polygon, and a third column with the values of the center angle corresponding to the arc segment whose ends corresponds to one side of the regular polygon. This slide presents the most important structures of regular polygons. These structures are shown in figure 6.4. All the polygons presented in the classes of Chapter 6 are inscribed in a circumscribed circle with the radius r. Thus, all other entities always refer to the radius of the circumscribed circumference. The main feature of a polygon is the number of sides. The two segments of lines that form two adjacent sides result in a point called the vertex of the polygon. The number of vertices of the polygon is equal to the number of sides of the polygon. In this slide, the important structures of regular polygons are still shown. One of the main and most important structures of a regular polygon is the triangle formed by two radius joining the two vertices adjacent to the center C of the circumscribed circle and define one side called the triangle of the side. This structure is formed by isosceles triangle formed by two segments of equal straight lines that are the radius and by the side of the polygon. The angle between the two straight line segments equals to the radius is called the center angle and has a value equal to 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. In this slide, the important structures of regular polygons are still shown. A line segment beginning at the center of the circumscribed circumference and ending in the middle of the straight line segment, that is the side, at a right angle to this is called apotema. The mathematical relations between the values of the side, apotema, and radius are the main formulas of the polygon. The value of the center angle is given by the division of the 360 degrees by the number of sides. The interior angle is formed in the internal part of the polygon composed of two adjacent sides. The exterior angle is formed by the continuation of the straight line segment of one side and the straight line segment comprising the adjacent side. In this last slide of this class continues the presentation of the important structures of the regular polygons. The sum of the value of the internal angle with the external angle has a value of 180 degrees. The diagonal of a polygon consists of a straight line segment connect two non-adjacent vertices. In this chapter, we will be studying the regular polygons of 3 to 12 sides. The perimeter of a polygon is given by the product of the value of the number of sides by the value of the dimension of one side. The area of a polygon is given by the product of the number of sides by the value of the area of the side triangle.